पर्ल पूरी केस में एकता कपूर और पीड़िता की मां की बातचीत का ऑडियो हुआ लीक। सुनकर आप भी हो जाओगे शॉक। आइए सुनाते हैं आपको एकता और उस लड़की की मदर का ऑडियो क्लिप।
This is the worst thing that can happen to him. But if you know it is not, if you know,
Telefilms, I feel so safe with Balaji. It's never happened. He's just
but
removing his grudge.
he's removing a grudge, but वो grudge किसी की life खराब कर देगा.
What do you suggest?
I suggest you, because today I'm telling you, if he's in jail and tomorrow this news comes out that there is a man who molested a girl, a child, and you know it is not true, the karma that is attached to this, see, on every level it is wrong. Husband wife are fighting, nobody should involve children. On the other level, it's wrong that your child is kept away from you just to prove you as a bad mother. They're going to blame an actor that he touched her inappropriately. Even though I know Pearl, I will always believe the child because that's the way it is. But clearly here, when the mother is saying this, and if your maid has also said, then definitely there might be people are using the child for the wrongest purposes.
Exactly. She's been tutored.
And
she's been...
And today,
if something like that would happen, tell me, she wouldn't shout. And I also took her to Mehak, my co-artist's place after that. After the day we were shooting, she played with the dog. She was so happy. If something like that happens with a child, won't the child scream or something? I know he's doing all this, but only my daughter was involved. I didn't want all this to come out in the press, because you know how it is now when it comes out in the press.
But I'll tell you what, this is not about press coming out in the press. एक आदमी की जिंदगी खराब हो जाएगी.
नहीं, I don't want that. Of course, I'm with Pearl only.
किसी को नाम खराब करना था आपका और आपके बच्चे का, अब मतलब कि शूटिंग में ऐसे होता है और उसने एक sweeping statement. I mean, I don't want to go here and say that okay, but you know there should be proper investigation and everything should be right. But at any point of time, if somebody is being wrongly blamed, this is not going to hold nice.
I feel so guilty about this. You won't believe that because of my case, somebody else is being dragged. And I was like, I've been working with Balaji Telefilms so many times. I've worked with them and I don't know what Ekta must be thinking.
I'm usually with the mother in all these stories. I personally know.
You know how it is now, what's happening. You know, people, actors, they don't, like so many years, I was like, taking it because I thought both my sisters are settled. Now my sister is married to Monish Bell. You know that, right?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. So she's so settled and, happy. So I didn't want to give mom this stress. I didn't want to come home and, do all this tamasha. Because my dad's also not there, na, Ekta. So, like, I'm without my dad. And I was like,
anyway, Ekta,
how it is, शादी है, ऐसे चलो चला लेती हूँ.
आपको किसी ने मारा है, आपको आज you have to stand up for yourself, your daughter, because ये सब कोर्ट में जा रहा है और ये कोर्ट में
brainwashing her so much against me, I can't tell you. So I don't know. Actually, I was in depression first. So when he took her, and I'm with Pearl only. Of course, I'm with the truth, and I have given all the statements. I've given all the proof to police. I am with Pearl because I know nothing like that has happened. See, but you know what? I was not. Sameerji told me you go with Pearl to the police station. But if I would have gone with Pearl to the police station to give any statement, they would have thought कि कोई मिली भगत है इन लोगों की, So I just wanted to keep myself away, and because I spoke to my lawyer also, so she said you don't get into it. Because he's written, you know what he's written in the papers? He's written that I knew and I just put it under the carpet. That's what he's written in the papers. Hello?
I'll just tell you one thing.
Yeah.
That, a child is a very, very sensitive issue. And if anything has happened to the child, we will be the first to raise a voice. But if there's somebody using the child to make a false allegation, this is not going to be easy. There has to be a counter case. There has to be enough
I
stuff.
feel he should do a manhani ka case on him. I am with Pearl. He should do a manhani ka case on my husband. I have no relationship with my husband. I'm not talking to him. Out of the court, I told him ki let's mutually. That time I didn't know whose name and all, because he kept writing Dada. Sometimes he's writing uncle. So out of the court also, I told him ki Anil, let's not make her a pawn in this. And you don't, just for our fight, don't, he's just an ego trip right now. So he's not ready to settle only. I said, okay, according to your terms, thode din you keep I will keep her. Let's
बट
not, you
बॉस, ये
know,
हस्बैंड
she's
वाइफ का
getting
इशू है, ये
affected.
बच्चे की लाइफ का इशू है, ये आप लोगों का इशू है. इसमें कोई तीसरा अगर इन्वॉल्व हो रहा है,
You are right. Ekta, I'm on a guilt trip. I don't know मैं कौन सी घड़ी, you know how it is at work. I just wanted to get her, just spend one day
I
with
feel
her.
really
She
bad
was
for
crying.
you. I really feel bad for you because you took your child to the set and it's become a.
Yeah,
I mean,
I feel
as a
something
working
very-
mother,
and I've
if
been
this
doing-
allegation is a false allegation, it will just give everyone a chance to make false allegations against working mothers. It's a very sad situation.
You also take your son to the office and all.
Of
right?
course I
Ekta,
do,
Mother
of
tell me,
course.
Kareena Kapoor takes her सन टू द शूटिंग. क्या सबके साथ हम बचपन से जा रहे हैं शूटिंग पे? मैं अपनी बहन के साथ जाती थी. नथिंग हैपेंड टू अस. इट्स सो सेफ एवरीथिंग. सब जगह सीसीटीवी कैमरास लगे होते हैं. यू टेल मी, हाउ कैन इट बी के साथ ही ऐसे हो गया? वी हैव सच हॉट गर्ल्स इन आवर इंडस्ट्री.
No, I'm just saying. I'm saying the bad things happen. They happen on sets. They happen in people's homes. They happen with people we most unlikely.
Yeah, it can happen in a family also.
Yeah,
It
but
can
I'm
happen.
saying if it has not happened and it
Yeah.
is just being used to put somebody into a problem, and if you feel that it has not happened, you have to stand up for the boy because it's
I
a
will.
very, very problematic thing. And your husband, if he's doing this and he's using, and if there is it's a false claim and if it's proved, I will tell Pearl to put a case against this man.
Please do that. Please do that. I request you. Please do that. Because
Anyway.
I want that to happen.
Anyway,
Because-
I'll call you back.
इस ऑडियो क्लिप पर आपकी क्या राय है? बताइए हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में. एंड ऑल्सो डू लाइक, फॉलो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू डेली मसाला ऑन Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.